my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. So in this video, we are diving into everything you need to know about precast interview. Why is it important? What is it all about? So stay tuned until the very end because we are going to give some tips that you won't want to miss. And this is for all the newcomers who are planning to come to the UK. So let's get started. So guys, welcome Ananya. She's also from Jan 2025 intake. So she's going to give us a short brief about precast interview. So what is precast interview?
So precast interview is a step for the student visa process. So it's basically conducted by universities to confirm your eligibility and a commitment towards the course, and also prepares you for the UKVI credibility interview. That's basically you might be interviewed by the UKVI government.
So one thing I would like to ask is how long is the interview for?
So the interview might take half an hour. And one thing I would like to mention is please be alone in the room and make sure that there is no disturbance. So let's get started with the interview questions. So the first thing they'll ask you is your name, your date of birth, and then they'll ask you to show your passport. One thing I would like to add is you should always greet them and always keep a smile on your face so that you have a good impression on them.
Yeah, and also the second thing they would ask is your education background. So basically, you should go in a descending order. So from your current education to your previous education. And one tip I would like to suggest is make sure you know everything that you have studied in your bachelor's because they might ask you for the modules. So next thing they asked about is your work experience. So in your work experience, it depends. Either you're a graduate or you're a professional. So you have 1 or 2 years of experience. So it depends upon you. So you could answer it accordingly. So another thing they would ask about is your module or course structure. So one tip I would suggest is, so firstly, यहाँ पे education system is completely different from India. In India, we're used to writing written papers. Over here, everything is practical. You will have only assignments. So what I would suggest is make sure you're well prepared before the CAS interview because they would ask you how many credits do you have for each module. So suppose your marking system here is in credits. So each module would have allocated credits to it. So one module would be of 15 credits, another module would be of 20 credits. So in total, it would be 180 credits for a year. So make sure you're aware about that because there will be a lot of questions about it.
Next question is that why did you choose the course and how does it align with your future goals? So make sure that you let the person know that your course aligns properly with your future goals. As in, I am doing masters in international operations and supply chain management. So it will help me because if in future I want to start a business, so business is all about supply chain management, operations. So that way it aligns with my future goals.
So next thing they would ask you about is why did you choose this university? So one tip I would like to give is here on the website you could find all information that you need about your universities. So make sure you know their ranking, make sure you know their facilities and everything that you need to know about the university. So brag a little bit about it. It's not that difficult as it seems because everything is online. Additionally, they might also ask, did you consider any other university? So this question you could answer according to your preference. So it totally depends upon you.
So the next questions that were asked were why did you choose the UK and did you consider any other course? So basically you can just talk about UK, about its culture, about its work culture, about the people, and you can also add, like I said in my interview, that usually the courses in UK is for 1 year, and that is beneficial because you can learn faster, and in other countries it's for 2 years. So I just gave this reason of the course being of 1 year.
So they would ask you about UK. So basically, have you traveled to UK before, or if you have had any visa refusals for the UK? So you could answer them according to your preference, and then they would ask you, have you finalized accommodation? So mostly, being practical, I would say you won't finalize your accommodation before your CAS. So, but still, in case if you have, there are a lot of Telegram groups that you can be added into because they might ask you for the living expense, the cost of per month, or anything they could ask you. So you make sure you know the deets.
So the next question that they can ask is that are you considering to work for practical experience? So if I talk about what I said in the interview, I told them that my main motto is to study, and if I ever get an opportunity to work, I will definitely go for it. But I have this motto in my mind that I have to just study. So yeah. So the final question that they ask is whether we have any questions for them. So I had asked that if I had to give the credibility interview, so what are the things I can improve on or work on? So they just suggest you, or they just let you know that what you can just work on.
So, guys, finally, we would like to mention is these are general questions which can or cannot be asked in your interview. This is through our experience. So, finally, thank you, Ananya, for being such a great help and a good sport as well. So, thank you. And whether how do you like it?
We are just coping with it. You think that we are in these clothes, but it is
No.
freezing here. It is
It's
freezing.
actually freezing, and we started in the noon, and it's almost evening now.
Yeah.
So, yeah, finally, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, so please
Like
share.
and subscribe.
And comment भी कर देना any new ideas you would like to give. And also I would like to thank our videographer Tejas Limbe as well for being a good sport. I would like to show. Thank you, Tejas. Until next time. Bye. Welcome Ananya. She's Jan 2025 intake student. Your modules और your course structure. Sorry. Work experience का बराबर बोली मैं. तो वो कट कर दूं.
So the next question that they asked me, that they asked,
Your accommodation. एक minute.
इतना close पे मत ले.
How much is the rent? क्या बोलना है?
Sorry.